I wanted to try something new and different, and I hope you like it too. So I started my entire art journey back in 2015. I started it because I was super stressed out at my full-time job, and coming home from work, I needed a way to de-stress and just think about something other than work. And that's the reason why I started creating and just having fun with it. I honestly never knew that I was going to make it into a business. That was not my intention starting art. I just wanted to just come home, relax, and just do things that didn't require me to think about a lot of things. So that's the reason why I started creating and just having fun with the entire process and experimenting with new types of art mediums and things like that. So taking my art journey and making it into a full-time business, honestly, there was like so many things that I've learned along the way. So I started doing everything like full-time, maybe about like the past like 5 to 7 years. And a lot of the projects that I take on, I feel like I'm racing within myself. I'm focusing on things that I want to launch within my business, like new products, new workbooks, things that I want to create, whether that's like new art prints or new stickers or like new learning materials, because I also teach hand lettering. That's also another part of my business as well. But over the past few years, I've noticed that I do so much, but I don't get to just like reflect on the things that I worked on. So I thought it'd be really fun to document weekly things that I do as an artist and small business owner, things that I'm working on, new products that I'm creating, and just kind of show you a lot of like the behind the scenes that's going on within Letters by Shells. I hope you like this content. Honestly, I feel like I'm doing it more for me, just to kind of like look back and see exactly like things that I've done. And I want to show you more of that, just kind of like my thought process and what happens and what goes into everything that I do within my business. But yeah, I hope it's fun to watch and it's interesting to see that process. And I'm still going to make fun tutorials as well, but I just wanted to share this. So I hope you enjoy. And look what came in this week, the post-it samples that I've been working on that I kind of give you a preview of. The products have finally arrived, so I wanted to go ahead and showcase a few of the designs. So this is one of them. Let me take off the first layer. So this is basically, it's like a color block post-it that I'm excited about. So I'm hoping to launch these very soon, maybe in the next week, because I'm still waiting on 2 more designs that I cannot wait to show you all. But yeah, these are the post-it designs, and here's another one. So I'm super excited. I've been wanting to make new post-its for the longest time, and yeah, I'm really happy with how these came out. So I ordered these through Vistaprint. So I also ordered these post-it backings as well. So you'll see here. So the idea is to have them similar to how I package my stickers. So I'm going to have a post-it like this along with the backing. So these are a couple that I've done. And I think it just adds an extra like touch to the packaging. So yeah, I'm happy with it so far. And I'm just going to wrap it up in a clear sleeve like this. Yay. So those are the post-its. I'm so happy that they arrived, and I cannot wait to add these to my shop very soon. I'm still again waiting on a few more designs, so I can't wait. Okay, so I also ordered some new Suncatchers, and they also arrived this week. So these are my old Suncatchers that I have, and I'll go ahead and insert a video clip of the Suncatchers in action. It's like super magical, adds like fun rainbows to any room. And these are the new Suncatcher designs that I received, and I'm like so happy with it. I love the simplicity of the Suncatcher and can't wait to add more rainbows to my room. So yay! And another product that I'm going to be adding to my shop. So I'm hoping to add all of this in the next week. But I'm so excited. So the last time I sold like art prints, I felt like it was maybe like back in 2017, 2018. So here are the new ones that I'll be adding. So I used to do a lot of like foiling prints that I would sell. I don't know if I'm going to be bringing back the foiling art prints, even though I love making them. But for now, it's going to be these type of prints, which is like positive affirmations and positive reminders you can add to your room, your office, home office, whichever. This one says you are amazing. So here's a closer view of all the products. So the Post-it notes, the color block Post-its, Suncatchers, some art prints. Hello, it's a new week, so my goal is to take some photos and video content of my new Suncatchers, then work on emails, edit videos, record more content, and create some lettering practice sheets for my Learn Lettering Today students. Yay, these are my other Post-it designs that I've been waiting for. So now I can take some product photos and update my shop. So this is what the floral design looks like. And then this one is the stationery one. So fun, so excited, and can't wait to get all the product photos taken of these, and just so happy that they're finally here. It's a new day, and I'll be finishing up the collab work that I was working on last night, and the last thing I have to do is just edit the video content. Then after I'm done with that, I'll be packing some orders. So now I'm making some product labels to pack a wholesale order, which I'm so excited about. And then I'll be working on some name tags for my upcoming workshop. On workshop days, of course, coffee is a must. So I just arrived, and now I'm walking over to M. Lovewell. If you are in the OC area, definitely visit M. Lovewell. Their shop is the absolute best. So on workshop days, I usually arrive 1 hour before the workshop starts to set up and just get ready for the workshop. And here are some video clips of the workshop. Thank you again, Liz, for capturing these wonderful videos. So now I'm unboxing some new art prints I just received and packing some orders since I just launched my new Post-it notes. If you're interested in my Post-it notes, the link is below to shop. Thank you so much for your love and support. Before the month ends, Richard and I decided to go on a quick getaway for a few days with Max and Mimi. So we stayed at Getaway, and this is what it looked like on the outside, and this is our view. Here are some clips of inside the cabin and our view from inside. So we just spent a few days relaxing, hanging out with the pups, making s'mores, and just enjoying the views. And just like that, we're back home and I'm ending the month making a fun journal spread for June. I can't believe it's almost June. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching my May studio vlog. Thanks again for watching and for your amazing love and support. You are truly the best.